Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and doing good. Today's video is about blending sounds and its words. As I found most of the kids are struggling with how to blend the two letters, I thought I must make a video on this. So today in this video, I'll be concentrating on only L blends. As such, there are many blending sounds. Later on, I'll be giving a lesson on other blends as well. So keep watching and enjoy learning. Let's start. Now Filza, let's start with this BL words, okay? You have to read these words, select a picture from here and place it in the puzzle. Fine? So let's see. Can you read these BL words? Can you?
Yeah.
Yes, you can if you try. Come on, read now. What is the sound of B?
B.
B. The sound of L? L. BL makes the sound here. Together makes the sound here. B. The sound of A? And the sound of CK?
K.
K. BLACK?
Black.
Black. Very good. Where is the black color? Yes.
Which black? Here.
Come on, fast.
No. Here. No.
Yes, good. Now next one. What is the sound of BL? B. Say loudly. B. The sound of O?
O.
O. And the sound of CK?
K.
K. BLOCK. The sound of BL? Bl. The sound of O? O. Blo. And the sound of CK? K. So BLOCK, block. Yes. Where are the blocks?
Block is no.
Fizza. Bas khalas. Now look here. What is the sound of BL? Bl. And the sound of UE?
U.
U. BLUE?
U.
Blue. Since there are two vowels, U and E, U makes the sound here. U. BLUE? Blue. Long sound of U. Now come on. Where you will keep? I think
what's here?
yes. Now next one. What is the sound of BL? Bl. And the sound of OW? Ow. Blow.
Blow.
The sound of OW? Ow. Blow.
Blow.
What is blow? Blow is nothing but to remove air from your mouth. Yes. To remove air from your mouth, to release air from your mouth, to lit off candles. It's called blow.
Blow.
Blow. Yeah.
What's this?
Yeah. Keep here.
Nowhere.
Come on, make it fast, Filza. Here. To lit off candles is called blow. Releasing the air is called blow.
Blow.
Next one. What is the sound of BL? Bl. The sound of E? A. And the sound of SS? BLESS?
Bless.
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 Bless. To give somebody a good wishes is called bless.
This.
Huh? I said giving somebody good wishes. No, this one fills a bless. So this one. Bless.
Will bless keep here?
Good. Bless.
Bless.
Giving a blessing here. Bless.
Bless.
Now, what is the sound of BL? Bl. The sound of U? Very good. And the sound of SH? Sh. BLUSH?
Blush.
Blush. Blush is nothing but the redness of the face. Redness of the face. Here, this is called as blush. Show me. Here, this is called blush. Can you see her face? It's getting red. Maybe it's because of shyness or shame or embarrassment. Blush.
Blush. With blush here?
Yeah.
Not here.
Now, next one. What is the sound of BL? Bl. The sound of O? O. And the sound of T? T. BLOT?
Blocked.
Blot. Yes, very good. Blot are nothing but the marks of ink or paint. It's called blot. Blot painting. Come on.
This one blot and then.
Now next one. Now read the next one. What is the sound of BL? Bl. The sound of AE? A. And the sound of D? BLADE? Blade. Here A and E makes the sound as A. And it ends with the sound. Blade. So where is the blade? Here is the blade. This is called as blade. Now keep. Now let's study the CL blending sound words. Okay?
Okay.
What is the sound of C?
K.
The sound of L?
L.
The CL makes the sound as K. And the sound of A? And the sound of SS?
Clown.
CLASS?
Class.
Class. Yes. Where is the class? Good. Now, what is the sound of CL? The sound of C? K. The sound of L? L. K. Remember, the sound of CL? K. And the sound of AW? Ah. Ow. Cloud. And the sound of S? Clouds. What do you mean by clouds? No, it's not cloud. Clouds yani pointed nails of a bird or mammal.
Yeah.
Okay? Even you can see the nails of a lion or tiger. Long nails, yes? Pointed nails is called as claws.
And elephants here white.
Elephant doesn't have claws.
Why?
Only for some birds or some mammals you will find the claws. What is the sound of C?
K.
The sound of L?
L.
CL makes the sound as
K.
K. Very good. K. The sound of OW? Ow. And the sound of N? So CLOWN?
Clown.
Clown. Yani clown means joker. Clown. Yes, very good. The sound of OW? Ow. Show me. Yeah. Good. Now next one. What is the sound of CL?
K.
K. Very good. The sound of CL. K. The sound of OU is also ow. OW and OU makes the same sound as ow. Both are called as the diphthongs and both makes the sound as ow. So I made a separate video on this previously. So I'll just leave a link at the above so that if you want to practice more words based on these diphthongs OW and OU, you can just refer to it. So CLOUD?
Cloud.
Cloud. Very good. Where is cloud?
What's here?
Yeah, check where you can keep.
Yay.
Yes. Now next one. What is the sound of CL?
K.
K. The sound of O?
O.
And the sound of CK?
K.
K. CLOCK?
Clock.
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 Clock. Where is the clock? Yes.
And this clock.
Good. What is the sound of CL?
K.
K. The sound of I? And the sound of MB. Here MB, B is silent. Only M makes the sound here. Okay? So it will be CLIMB, climb. This is the silent digraph. M here, M and B is silent here. Only M makes the sound. So it's CLIMB, climb. It ends with M sound. Climb. Yes.
Climb.
Climb.
I know.
They are climbing up.
What's it doing?
Climbing up. He is helping him to climb, to move up, to go up. Now, there's another blending sound, FL. FL sound of words we'll learn now, okay? Now, what is the sound of F? The sound of L? L. FL makes the sound as fill, fill. The sound of A? And the sound of SH? Sh. FLASH?
Flash.
Flash. Very good. Flash. No, flash is the sudden light. First, listen to me. First, flash is the sudden light. Tell me, where is the sudden light here? That immediate light. Tell me. No, just check. Where is the light? Yes. It's called as a flash.
This. No, here. Yeah, here.
Come on, Fizza, make it fast. Remove your hand. Yes, good. Now, look. What is the sound of FL? Fill. Come on, say loudly. Fill. The sound of Y, when it comes at the end of a word, it makes the sound as I. Yes?
I.
So, FLY.
Why?
Fly.
Fly.
Yes, where is the fly? Here. Where you can see the fly? Yeah.
Which? Ah.
No, not there. Yes, check. Here. Come on, keep now. Not like that.
Where like that?
Like this.
Like this.
Now, next one. What is the sound of FL?
Full.
The sound of A? And the sound of G?
G. G.
G. FLAG. The sound of FL? Fl. The sound of A? Fla. And the sound of G? G. Flag.
Flag.
Where is the flag? This is the flag. This is called as a flag. Show me. This is called as a flag. Come on, keep now.
Where there?
Check. Yes. Good. Now, next one. Come on, look here. What is the sound of FL?
Full.
Fl. Say loudly. Fl. The sound of OA.
Oh.
And the sound of T.
T.
T. FLOAT.
Flop.
Float. The sound of OA. O. Long sound. There are two vowels here. The first vowel will say its name. O. So it's float.
Floor.
Float. To move on water, on the surface of water. It will not let you go down. It's called as float. Where is the float? Look here. Where is the float? Yes, that's the float.
Here.
Float. He is floating on the water. Yes? When you sit on the floating boat, it will not let you go down. It will not let you sink. Yes?
Me wants to sit down.
Float. Yes. Now next one. What is the sound of FL?
Full.
Fl. The sound of A. And the sound of T. FLAT.
Flat.
Flat. Yes. Where is the flat? Look here. This one is the flat. Flat tire. Yeah. Next one. What is the sound of FL?
Full.
Fl. The sound of AE.
A.
And the sound of M. So FLAME.
Flam.
Flame. AE makes the long sound here. A. And it ends with sound. Flame. Where is the flame? Yes. When you lit a candle, you will see a flame. Yes? That's good.
Finish.
So guys, that's the end of today's lesson. Actually, the video got too lengthy, so I divided into two parts. Very soon, I'll be posting a video on GL, PL and SL blending sounds as well. So watch that video too, and I hope you like this video, and if you have learned at least a single thing out of this lesson, please do like, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I'll surely come up with more such learning videos to make your kids learn easily. So keep watching and take care. Goodbye.